Hello, Primary 1. How are you today? Hope all of you are great and everything is okay. Who can tell me how many days are there in a week? 7 days in a week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Today we gonna continue chapter 6 and solving the problems. And now count with me how many diamonds do we have. But first, who can remind me how can I count by tens? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, and 100. We used counting by tens when we have large number of objects. So now, how many diamonds do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here I have group of 10, another group of 10, and another group of 10. So how many tens do we have? 10, 20, 30. Don't forget we have 3 extra diamonds. After 30, 31, 32, and 33. So how can I write 33? 3 and 3. 33, 3 and 3. I have 33 diamonds, so I draw 33 dots on the 10 frame. Now count with me how many stars do we have. So this group is group of 10, 20, 30. And don't forget we have 4 extra stars. After 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. So how can I write 34? 30 and 4. 34, 30 and 4. I have 34 stars, so I draw 34 dots. 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, and 34. Now, how many squares do we have? First 10, 20, 30, and don't forget after 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, and 35. So how can I write 35? 3 and 5. How can I write 35? 3 and 5. I have 35 squares, so I draw 35 dots on the 10 frame. Now let's move to examples. Complete the missing numbers. Here I have the caterpillar and I need to complete the missing numbers in order. We start with the 25, after 25, 26, after 26. Who can tell me after 26 is what? 27. Great job. After 27, 28, 29, after 29, 30, after 30, 31, after 31, excellent, 32, after 32, 33, and after 33 is 34, and finally 35. Now we complete the caterpillar. You can complete the rest of the page. Let's solve the next example. Put a suitable sign. Greater than, less than, or equal. Who can remind me when I compare between two numbers and the two numbers are same? So what shall I do when we have two numbers same? I will put equal sign. Great job. And when I compare between two numbers and I need to know if I put greater sign or smaller sign. So what shall I do? The first step is to search on the greater number. If we found it, we put circle around it. And the alligator mouse will open its mouth to eat the greater number. So, number A, 32 and 31. Which is greater, 32 or 31? Great job. 32 is greater than 31. So, I will put circle around 32. And now what shall I do? I will open the alligator mouth to eat the number which I put circle around it. So the alligator mouse will eat 32. And now I read this equation or this number from the left side to the right side. So I can read it as 32 is greater than 31. 32 is greater than 31. Number B, 34 and 35. Which is greater, 34 or 35? Of course, 35 is greater than 34, so I will put circle around 35. And what shall I do? I will open the alligator mouth to eat 35 because we have circle around it. And when we read the equation or the sentence from the left to the right, you can read it as 34 is less than 35. 34 is less than 35. Number C, 30 and 29. Which is greater, 30 or 29? Of course, 30 is greater than 25, 29. So I will put circle around 30. And now open the alligator mouth to eat 30. And when we read this equation, we read it from the left side. 30 is greater than 29. 30 is greater than 29. D, 33 and 33. So now we have two same numbers. So what shall we do? We will put equal sign. Great job. You can complete the rest of the page. Now subtract. This form is called vertical form of subtraction. Vertical form of subtraction. 5 minus 1. In subtraction, we search on what? Subtraction, so we search on smaller number. Subtraction, so we search on the smaller number. Which is smaller, 5 or 1? Of course, 1 is smaller than 5. So I will put circle around 1 and I will put 1 in our mind. Count after 1 to reach 5. And then count how many raised fingers do we have. After 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So how many raised fingers do we have? 4 fingers. Great job. So 5 minus 1 equals 4. Another example. 8 minus 2. So which is the smaller? 2 is the smaller. So I will take 2 and put 2 in our minds. Count after 2 to reach 8. After 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So how many raised fingers do we have? 6 fingers. Great job. So 8 minus 2 equals 6. 4 minus 1. So which is bigger? Which is smaller? Sorry, which is smaller? 4 or 1? Great job. 1 is smaller than 4. So I will put 1 in our mind and count after 1 to reach 4. After 1, 2, 3, 4. So how many raised fingers do we have? 3 fingers. So 4 minus 1 equals 3. Great job. 9 minus 9. Which is the smaller number? Here we have the smaller number or the two numbers are equal. When the two numbers are equal and we do subtraction, the result will be 0. 9 minus 9 gives us 0 because we have same number. So 9 minus 9 equals 0. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.